In the embrace of nature, a profound connection is forged, one that transcends the boundaries of the mundane and awakens the spirit within. For in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Step into the enchanting wilderness, where the symphony of rustling leaves and melodious birdsong serenades your soul. As you wander through lush meadows and ancient forests, a sense of peace washes over you, gently lifting the weight of the world from your weary shoulders. In the company of mighty mountains and majestic waterfalls, you become acutely aware of the grandeur and magnificence that surrounds you. Nature's breathtaking beauty unfolds before your very eyes, reminding you of the infinite wonders that exist beyond the confines of your everyday existence. But it is not just the visual feast that nature offers, it is the profound wisdom it imparts. With each step, you are reminded to slow down, to breathe in the crisp, invigorating air, and to appreciate the simple joys that often go unnoticed. In this sanctuary of serenity, you find solace and clarity. As the noise of the world fades away, leaving only the whispers of your own thoughts, nature becomes a teacher, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. It teaches you patience, as you witness the slow transformation of seasons and the gradual growth of delicate flowers. It teaches you resilience, as you witness the strength of towering trees. Standing tall against the test of time, in the presence of nature, you are reminded of your place in the grand tapestry of life. You are reminded of the interconnectedness of all living beings, and the delicate balance that must be preserved. Nature beckons you to be a steward, to protect and cherish the precious gifts it bestows upon us.